I was like, vlogging?
Just vlogging. Just vlogging.
They're like, hello, motherfuckers. Why not?
Why not? I could use that for my vlog. Beautiful, beautiful weather today. It's really amazing. Finally. And anyway, in 23 minutes my school starts with my awesome teacher. Day 2. Can't wait. I'll take back what I said. The weather is cloudy and I think it's going to rain even later on. So I take it back. But not the teacher, he's still awesome. So today, I'm not gonna talk about my project. Quite the opposite. Today, we're just going to learn the workflow that our teacher gave us today so we can test it out with our own assets and characters if it will work in Unreal Engine. I'll be trying to import an animation from Maya to Unreal Engine because later on in my project, I'll be using this workflow. So this is a time now where we can try and test the workflow out since the teacher who was teaching this workflow is here. One of the main reasons why you should try the workflow already even though you're not in that stage yet is because you will know already the problems and the errors that will come. And thank God I did, because I had a lot of problems with my animation. And thankfully, the awesome teacher gave me many solutions on how to solve these problems. And now I know how to solve it when the time is right. How is the popcorn? Is it black? The bird smell.
That is really good popcorn.
Yeah, wow, look at that.
Finito?
It's top A-notch quality of burnt. I can feel your ashes. It's coming out. Why am I doing this?
It's a crappy microwave.
It's a crappy microwave.
From this? Let me rant on something.
Yes.
This is from Kitchenware. If you see this logo, you know it is shit, so
Yes.
don't buy from them. They're a shitty company, don't deserve to exist.
Usually you press like only 1-2 buttons. No. Here you don't press 2 buttons, you press something in order to start this. It's like the freaking Da Vinci Code trying to start the microwave. Oh, it's burnt, okay. And as you can see here, the microwave never washed this freaking dirty. Holy smokes. Every popcorn we put in is a waste of food. Because every time it comes out, it's black. Look at that. What is this? What is C1? What is C2? What is C3? What is that?
Don't you know what it is?
No.
They're hieroglyphs. You see that thing down there? That's from Egypt. Those are hieroglyphs. No idea what that means. It's like
I'm gonna put that as my title. Choose which one is the right one. One is burnt, one is not burnt.
This smells not burnt.
Okay, after some burnt popcorns, woo, it is movie time. So what we're watching right now is, to me, my favorite action movies of all time. And that is Police Story with Jackie Chan, where that guy drops from a 10th floor shopping mall with only a tin rope. It's not even a rope, it's the lightning cables to the ground on a freaking small house platform. and still survives that. I don't know how he survives that. Just only that scene is already a must watch of the movie. There's other crazy stuff that he does there, but that's one of them. Ciao. Oh, great. Okay. Amazing movie. Jackie Chan. New movies never disappoint. Now I'm tired. Gonna go home. We were just shit talking about the school. How terrible the teachers are, and they are terrible. I'm gonna say it again, and I always love to say it. Don't go to the essay. If you really want to learn proper 3D modeling and you want to go to the industry, don't go to the essay. It's terrible. Teachers are bad. I have enough proof in my videos. Enough proof. If someone asks me, oh, maybe you're bad, maybe you're terrible at 3D modeling, I'll say this. My teacher told me, recommend me to use ZRemesser for animation. That's enough.